those of us who are associated with AI technology or working in the field of AI usually say that technology is an enabler and it will help accelerate the nation's growth, help startups and everything. But there are also naysayers who think that the integration of AI across various sectors pose a potential threat to employment. And how do you respond to that integration of AI will lead to economic loss of job, and especially in a country where we have already mentioned there are socioeconomic disparities, there are sections of the population who are marginalized, already vulnerable to the use of technology. How do you respond to that?
This is a conversation that happens with every new technology, right? I think like recently, I remember, so Rahul Matan is a very famous technology policy lawyer. He writes this newsletter which comes every week. And he talked about back in the 1800s, like when electricity was first being adopted, there were so many concerns about what would happen, also from the safety perspective. But we figured out how to do with it. And I think every time a new technology comes about, some jobs do get displaced, but a lot of newer jobs also get created, right? We've seen that with computers, we've seen that with the internet. And yeah, so the term is called automation risk. So AI has the potential to automate routine tasks, which might lead to some job replacement. But in the longer term, and especially even in the medium term, it creates new opportunities. It enhances productivity, allows for more economic growth. Like AI is basically, it's not a substitute for human intelligence right now, but it's a tool that complements human capability. It helps us get more efficient. It reduces operational costs. It drives innovation across industries. Like it is innovation that creates new jobs, right? And allows people to build new skills. And I think this is something that's already on the government's radar. So even in schools, you will see now there is a focus on, I think NCRT now has a specific part of the curriculum which allows like kids in 7th class, kids in 9th class to understand how you interact with AI. So it's important to keep looking at, keep training, keep building skills on AI related skills such as data analysis, machine learning, and programming to equip the workforce with skills needed for jobs for the future. And in the meantime, I'm not saying that there will be no friction at all. In the short to medium term, there will be some friction. So policies promoting inclusive growth, social safety nets, job retraining programs, and lifelong learning initiatives can help ensure that the benefits of AI integration are equally distributed across society.